In 1986, the world's worst nuclear disaster created a dead zone 30 kilometers wide, but something unexpected happened. The animals came back, and they're not the same. Inside Chernobyl's zone of alienation, wolves approach humans without fear. Their eyes hold an intelligence that shouldn't exist. Catfish in the reactor's cooling ponds have grown to monstrous sizes, some over 6 feet long, lurking in radioactive waters. The forest itself defies nature. Dead trees stand frozen in time because radiation killed the bacteria that should make them rot. It's a graveyard of wood that refuses to fall. Scientists document the mutations. Birds with massive tumors, mice born with extra limbs, insects twisted into impossible shapes. But the security guards report something worse. At night, animals move in perfect coordination. Packs that hunt with strategies no wolf should know. Creatures that seem to think in ways that terrify researchers. The radiation didn't just change their bodies, it rewired their minds. And we're only beginning to understand what we've created in that radioactive wasteland.